Alright, you're going to have to bear with me on this one because I'm fucking hoarse. Apparently. Obviously. That second tree I cut down in my last video posted had a bunch of dead poison ivy all over it. And I think I got poison ivy inside my esophagus. So, yeah, that's what I'm dealing with right now. But anyway, I've got a MS-290 here. And I want to do a video on it. But first I've got to get it running. So, that's kind of the goal of tonight. If you're not familiar with the 290, this is what was the original Farm Boss. Now it's the 271. But the 290 is now the 291. It's a 56cc, 3.8 horse machine. So, let's see what's going on with it first. I already kind of know, but... So, right there I'm thinking fuel issue. So I'm going to check the fuel lines, fuel filter, impulse line, and kind of see what's going on with this guy. Alright, so I've just been kind of prepping, took the side cover off, bar and chain, cleaned it out. And I went and drained the gas, and dude, the gas was like milky. So I'm thinking this could be something as simple as just fucking shitty gas. But I'm gonna let it air out a bit, probably flush the fuel system. But really, I think I just need to put some good gas in here, and she'll probably be just fine. But just to go through the motions, I'm gonna go ahead and check her out. Quite a bit of liquid in there. Could be a clogged tank bed as well, right here. So I'll check that. So I'm gonna take off the tank bed line. Alright, so I think we found the culprit. Just went to blow through this guy, and absolutely no air is getting through. So we need to flush this guy out. Got to flow through that guy. And then we got to flow through this guy because I already did it. So I'm going to take the air gun, blow out this fuel tank, try to clean all that old shit out of there. Put some Moto Mix in here, see how she does. Alright, so while I have the camera off, I also pulled the fuel filter out using trusty TIG wire. Clean that line out and clean the fuel filter off. Fucking sexy. But yeah, I don't know what fucking gas was in here, but it was fucking disgusting. It was like super heavy in oil, it was milky colored, I don't fucking know. But I'm gonna put some fucking good shit in there. And speaking of Moto Mix, I just learned this week. Don't buy the fucking gallon. It's the same price per ounce as the quart, and it is a fucking bitch pouring out of there. It's fucking useless. Get the quarts. And I only run this in my chainsaw. The rest of the shit I just mix my own. And you know, I blew through the fuel line, so I'm gonna take a few pulls to really get her going. Give her a little boost. See how she does. Actual load on there. So, yet another issue of bad gas. I don't know why it's such a problem these days. You know, they they started putting ethanol in the gas, what, in fucking 2007? That was 9 goddamn years ago. They would have learned by now, hey, don't leave that shit in there. Apparently not. But, no, I can make a video. The MS-290, the original farm boss. The OFB. OGFB. Whatever. There you go. MS-290. Have a good one, humans.